just, there's the memory card in the side. Obviously power off the conger on.
Really rare. You will never. Oh my God, bro. Is he gonna run?
Yeah.
Go.
Don't run.
Should you call 911? Yo, he's running. Should you call that? Oh! What the? Why are you running? Stop! You could have stopped. You have a kid. What's going on, man? Why didn't you stop, man? Bro.
What is your problem? Turn your headlights on!
Hi.
Hi.
What's going on?
I got my car stolen. I had left the keys in the cup holder and closed the cup holder.
Okay. Did you see get into it?
It was a guy probably maybe 30 years old. It wasn't his car.
No.
I kept looking at him because he asked me if I had light. I was like, there's no way he drives a BMW.
Would you be able to identify that guy if you ever saw him again?
Yeah. 130 miles an hour, and I swear to God. That's his road. Do you have a fire extinguisher?
I got in the car. I don't know. I teleported or something.
Where'd you get the car from?
I don't know. It's
come from
Calvin.
the beach side?
I don't know. I teleported.
Officer, where's your car?
Yes, sir. I just teleported the hospital.
Did you come from Bicentennial Park?
He came from
I don't know.
Bicentennial Park?
He came from north.
They told me to get X-Men to do it.
Okay, but
week that is really able to significantly slow them down, and there might be a few things that he can do based on the numbers last couple months for this Patriots offense. If he is the one to sort of illuminate those for the rest of Patriots opponents, then that makes me wonder, okay, how are these last 3 games going to go? How's it going to go if they're playing in the wild card?
Asshole.
Is there an answer for this offense in a way that we haven't really seen one be cooked up just yet? Okay, so you mentioned that you